Okay, hi there. So we are going to proceed to the indexing rules. Okay, previously we have learned about the introduction of the alphabetic indexing rule. So now actually we have 8 rule 1 until rule 8. Okay, so now for this video we are going to learn about the rule number 1, which is the order of the filing units. Okay, so we are going to proceed for the first rule, okay, and then we are going to have another video for each rule, which is rule 2, rule 3, 4, and also 5. Okay, so now let's go to the rule number 1. So for rule number 1, we have two, rule 1A and rule 1B. So rule 1A is for the personal name, okay, and rule 1B is for the business name. Okay, so for the personal name is what we call surname. Surname for English name is the last unit. We call it as the key unit. Okay, and the given name, which is the first name or initial, is the second unit, and the middle name or initial is the third unit. Okay, so if determining the surname is difficult, consider the last name written as surname. Okay, so you need to make sure for the English name, surname, given name, and middle name. So surname or the last name is the key unit, the given name or the first name is the second unit, and the middle name or initial is the third unit. Okay, so this one is, for example, Laura J. Huff. So Huff is the surname or the last name, also known as the key unit. And Laura is the given name or the first name of that person. And J is the middle name of Laura J. Huff. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on how for you to index the following personal name. Okay, we have we have 4 examples. The first one is Sarah M. Robinson. The second one is David Robinson, and the third one is Peter D. Stewart, and lastly is Ahmad Nawab Nordin. So when we recall back, the definition of indexing is when you choose the filing segment, you divide the filing segment into filing units before you determine the order of the filing units. So how we are going to do this? Okay, we only have 4 filing segments. So the first one is you need to do the filing segment, divide the filing segment into filing unit. Okay, so for number 1, Sarah M. Robinson, David Robinson, Peter D. Stewart, and Ahmad Nawab Nordin. Okay, I'm going to return back. Okay, so far you can see that Sarah M. Robinson, we have 3 filing unit. This is filing segment, a complete name. Okay, so when you divide into the filing unit, Sarah M. Robinson have 3 filing units. David Robinson has 2. Peter D. Stewart have 3, and Ahmad Nawab Nordin also have 3 filing units. Okay, so after that, you are going to determine the order of the filing unit. So how you are going to determine that one is you need to know which one is the key unit. So for Sarah M. Robinson, the last name is the key unit. Also, the Robinson is the key unit. Okay, for David Robinson, yes, Robinson is also the key unit. And Peter D. Stewart is the key unit. And for Ahmad, for Malay name, index as written. So Ahmad will be the key unit. Okay, so these are the key unit. So now we are going to arrange that one according to the alphabetic order. Okay, in order for you to arrange these 4 filing segment, we have 4 filing segment, and we need to arrange alphabetical. So you need to arrange alphabetical according to the key unit. So the first one, Sarah M. Robinson, the key unit started from letter R, and David Robinson also started from letter R. Peter D. Stewart started from letter S, and Ahmad started from A. So according to this one, Ahmad will be the first arrangement in the table. So Ahmad will be number 1. Number 2 is Robinson. Why Robinson? David Robinson. Why not Robinson Sarah? Because let's take a look on the second unit. So for Robinson, the second unit is D. Okay. And Robinson, Sarah M, the second unit is S. So if you have D and S, D must be first according to the alphabetic before S. And then Sarah M Robinson, this Robinson will be the third in the table. And lastly is the steward because of the letter S. Okay, so we have letter A, R, R, and S. Now, we are going to arrange this one in the table. You need to make sure you have the table, which is the filing segment, indexing order of the units. Okay, so this is how you're going to answer your table. Okay, now please take a look the arrangement of the table. Ahmad, you copy back the filing segment, the name here, and put it here. So Ahmad Nawab Nordin, you copy back the question, which is the complete name or the filing segment. And then David Robinson, Sarah M Robinson, and Peter D Stewart. But for this table, again, please do remember key unit, unit 2, unit 3, you must type or you must write in capital letter. Okay, so you do not need to bold and underline this one because I just want to show you why this one's first, because this one is alphabetic order. A started first and then R and R. Because we have same R, we need to take a look on the second unit. You can see here D and S, so D first and then S, and lastly is S, is steward. Okay, so this is how you are going to arrange the order of the filing unit for personal names. Okay, next. Okay, so this is example for you on how you are going to arrange all these 9 filing segment into the filing units and make it into a table. Okay, so this is the answer. But before we proceed to the answer, I'm going to show you on how we are going to do this. Okay, so okay, this is I write this one, copy back the question, that question in the Microsoft Word. So actually how we are going to do this? Okay, previously I have shown you how to do this, so I'm going to teach you on how we are going to complete this one. Okay, so all these 9 filing segment are the personal names, so it's easy for you to do it. So again, you need to remember that the last unit is the key unit. However, if you have the Malay name, the first unit is the key unit. Okay, so now we are going to highlight the key unit. So I'm going to use bold and red. Okay, the key unit. Let's highlight the key unit first. Okay. Before we arrange that one. Actually, when you write down on the paper, it's much easier for you to use a pen or a pencil compared to this one. But this one just to give you a tutorial on how to do this. Okay, so now all the letters are S. So which one first? Must be SA. Okay, so let's take a look which letter is SA. Okay, we have this one, SAMPLE. Okay, and we have the second one, which is SAMPLES. Okay, when you have the same word, sample and samples, okay, this one first, and then the next is this one. So you can write down, if you have a rough paper, you can write it down according to the key unit. This one is number 2. Oops, sorry, number 2. Okay, SA, alphabetic order, SA, and then what's next? We have another one, SA. Okay, sorry, this must not be number 2. We have another sample. Okay, Charlene sample and Darren sample, C and D. Which one first? Okay, you need to bold this one. Okay. So D and C is Charlene sample first, because the second unit is C, this one, the second unit is D. Okay, so this will be number 2 and sample will be number 3. And then with the next one, we are going to go to the word as you know, SI first. Okay, so for SI, we have Simon and Siemens. Okay, so SIMO. So which one first actually? MOO first. Okay, SIMM or SIMO. So according to the alphabetic, so it's supposed to be Simon first. Okay, so this will be number 4. Okay, and then we have the same one, Simon. Now you need to take a look on the second key unit. Okay, Simon. The next unit is N and P. Which one first? N or P? So N first. So this will be unit number 5. This will be unit number 6. And then you can have a Simon will be, because we have E, the last unit. Simon first and then the Simon with E. This will be number 7. Oops, I do not have, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is SK. So SK will be number 8 and Sunderland will be number 9. Okay, so now we have the arrangement for this one. Okay, so how we are going to do this? I'm going to what we call make it what we call the I want to hide the numbering for this one, so easy for you to copy this one. Okay, so we are going to put this one in this table. Okay, again for this one name, you just copy back the filing segment, and this one you need to write back in the alphabetic order. So we just copy that one. So this is number 1, Charlene. Put it here. Okay, never mind, I'm going to arrange it after this. Number 2. Okay, just copy back. Number 3 is this one. Okay, number 4, Simon. Okay, number 5 is this one. I'm going to make it smaller for easy for me to copy. Okay, this one is much easier for me to copy. Okay, I'm going to make it larger. Okay, never mind. Number 6. Okay, this is number 6. Number 7. Number 8. And number 9. Okay, so I'm going to edit this one first. How? I'm going to unbold and change the color to the black again. Okay, so we have this one. Just delete the numbering. You may do this on a rough paper, okay, but this one I just show you on how we are doing going to do this on the Microsoft Word. Okay, okay, so we have done this one. I'm going to make it larger for this one. Okay, so now we have complete this one. Okay, so what we need to do is you are going to arrange this one according to the what we call the order of the filing unit. So this one is sample. Okay, and Charlene. Remember, sample is the key unit. Okay, so do this for the second one. Still the key unit is sample, but the second unit is daring. make sure in the key unit, unit 1, 2 and 3 must be all in capital letter. But I'm going to do this after this. Okay, so just want to show you first. Remember the first unit is the second unit, and when you have the middle name like this, okay, you just use an A. No need to bring the period. Okay, and then next one is Simon, Jeff. Okay, and for this one we have 3 filing unit. Neil is the second unit, the first unit, and lastly S is the middle name as the third unit. Okay, the next one. Okay. Okay, and S. Oh, I do believe that we have the same name. Neil as Simon, right? Okay, so it's different. Neil as Simon and Neil as Simon. Okay, we have E, different E. Okay, and the last one. Okay, so we have done this one. So remember, key unit, unit 2, unit 3 must be all in capital letters. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to use the change case and make it all in capital letter. So this is how your table will look like, okay, from this question. Okay, this is how you're going to do it. You may use it, do it in your rough paper. It's easier for you to do it, okay, compared to this one. This one is just an example for you. Okay. Okay, so now I'm written back to the question. Okay, so I have shown you on how to convert this one to determine the order of the filing unit, and then convert into the table according to the alphabetic order. Okay, so this is actually the answer that we have done before. Okay, so this is the same answer. So again, do not need to bold and underline, because this one is just for your reference, to make sure, especially when you have the same, what we call when you have the same key unit, and then you need to refer to the second unit. Okay, so this is an exercise for rule 1A that you can do it by yourself. Okay, please do this, and you can discuss with your tutorial lecturer. Okay, your tutorial lecturer. Okay, so when you take a look on this one, you have the Malay name.
That's it lah.